Types of films. There is nothing like a good film to help you escape reality and take you on a magical adventure. No matter what your favorite genre is, you're sure to enjoy the following films. Since the first Star Wars film, this science fiction film series has kept audiences coming back for more. And Star Wars: The Force Awakens is no exception. 30 years after the defeat of the Galactic Empire, the galaxy faces a new threat from the evil Kylo Ren and the First Order. The forces of good and evil fight a battle across space that will decide the fate of the galaxy. Join a great cast on a beautiful Greek island for this all-singing, all-dancing film about finding love. In Mamma Mia, Donna is a small hotel owner preparing for her daughter Sophie's wedding. It is a must-see if you love musicals. These magical animations are popular with families all around the world. In Frozen and its sequel, Frozen 2, the 3D computer animation is out of this world, and you won't be able to stop yourself from singing along to its soundtrack. If you like animations, they don't get much better than these. In the Heart of the Sea is a fast-paced and exciting action film that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Inspired by the true story behind Herman Melville's classic book Moby Dick, this film has a star-studded cast of actors. What will happen to the crew of the whaling ship Essex in the end? Which of these films have you seen? What other films do you like?